Hey guys, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. My wife was driving from work home on some local roads and then on a highway and then back on local roads up to our house. This is a foot. These are footage from the Tesla dash cam. This is a snowstorm, very low visibility, and yet you can see how clearly the footage is, even though it's in such bad conditions outside. Of course, look up, she's going up this hill. It's all snow, ice, sleet, and the car is performing extraordinarily well. After this, I'm going to show you. It's going to go into the highway driving, and you will see also how poor visibility was. So here we go. I'm going to go into the highway footage right now. Here it comes. And this is Route 80, Interstate 80. And she was driving nice 50, 60 miles an hour in this bad condition. The last footage that is going to come up in a second is going to be from our actually neighborhood, from our neighborhood, where this street obviously not plowed yet at all, but the car has tremendous performance with those awesome snow tires that I put on the car. So I asked my wife when she got home. I asked her how was the drive, and she says to me, I didn't even notice that it was snowing, and that's how wonderful the Tesla Model 3, even though it's rear wheel, but with good snow tires, you cannot go wrong. Seriously, you cannot go wrong. So here we go. Here's the neighborhood drive coming right now. So you see the street is completely and totally full of snow. There's no plowing at all whatsoever. And then she is going to get to our street, and then somebody very, very strange is going to greet her right outside the garage. And I was following her ride the entire way because I'm a nervous wreck all the time. That's who I am. So I used the app to see how fast she was going. I would call her, why are you going 60 miles an hour? So here is a house. The door opens automatically. And somebody weird is going to come out. Here he is wearing a pajama. And I was like taking the last video. That is funny. Alright guys, thanks for watching.